Hi pupils, and welcome to the channel Tania's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to make a grammar quiz of modal verbs. If you feel ready, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
Choose the right answer. Pause the video to think about your answers, then write down below in the comments your answer. Good luck. Are you ready? Let's begin with this challenge. Multiple choice. My little brother ride a bike when he was 5 years old. Choose the right answer. A can, B could, C may, D should. Don't forget to make a pause and write down below in the comments your answer. Multiple choice. Excuse me, I use your phone for a moment. A might, B should, C may, D could. Multiple choice. You wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. It's the law. A might, B must. Multiple choice. It rain later, so don't forget your umbrella. A might. A could, B must, C should, D may. Multiple choice. You drink more water to stay hydrated. A may, B should, C can, D can't. Multiple choice. You smoke inside this building. It's against the rules. A may. A don't have to, B can't, C might, D may. Multiple choice. You bring food. The party is fully catered. A don't have to. A mustn't, B don't have to, C can't, D can. Multiple choice. You smoke inside this building. It's against the rules. A don't have to. B can't, C might, D must. Multiple choice. You help me with this heavy box, please. A don't have to. A could, B should, C must, D may. Multiple choice. We consider hiring more staff to meet the deadlines. A could. A may, B might, C should, D could. Multiple choice. He's not answering his phone. He be in a meeting right now. A can, B must, C may, D might. Multiple choice. When I was a teenager, I stay out until midnight. A might, B could, C may, D should. Multiple choice. You finish the report by tomorrow. The deadline is strict. A can, B must, C might, D should. True or false? Could is used only to talk about the future. True or false? Multiple choice. You see a doctor if you keep feeling unwell. A might, B must, C should, D could. Multiple choice. Underscore. I carry that bag for you. A shall, B may, C must, D should. Multiple choice. You have told me you were sick. I could have helped. A might, B should, C could, D must. True or false? You can't use should to give advice. A might. True or false? Multiple choice. You underscore have told me you were sick. I could have helped. A might, B should, C could, D can. Multiple choice. This underscore be the right address, but I'm not sure. A might, B must, C should, D shall. Multiple choice. Employees wear their ID badges at all times. A must, B could, C can, D should. Multiple choice. She know about the surprise party. Don't tell her. A must, A mustn't, B can't. C shouldn't, D couldn't. True or false? May and might both express possibility, but might is less formal. True or false? Thank you for playing this grammar quiz with me. I hope you had a blast and learned something new today. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button, and please subscribe. I'll be reading your answers in the comments. See you in the next lesson.